Welcome to KPR Institute of Technology. You scan for this extruder setup. This extruder setup comprises of a spring and one brass gear with one pulley. So here what happened? You may see here, to load and unload you need to press this lever like this, and here you can see due to this tension what happened, the pulley will rotate when the gear start rotating. Below that brass gear there is one stepper motor. This is also called extruder motor. This rotate and push the filament inside the PTFE tube to reach the hot end of this 3D printer. So this is what we call extruder setup. Thank you.